What's up, guys? Welcome to day 10 of my small account challenge. I know it's Saturday. I forgot to upload yesterday. I just didn't have time. Had to run a couple errands after I traded. But yeah, yesterday I took only one trade. It was a profitable trade. Took it much later in the day. I think I took it around like 11 o'clock my time. Uh, yeah. Um, and let's jump into the screen share so we can go over what I traded. So I traded QBTS. I actually saw someone call this out in the chat and I started looking at it. And the reason I got into this trade was because I saw we had kind of reversed off this double bottom right here, and we were coming and making our way up to this high right here of 9.78, and I was pretty confident it was gonna break. The MACD was green. There was good volume coming in, as you see. So I jumped in with 500 shares, and let me show you guys where I bought and where I sold. So I bought 500 shares right here at the very top of this candle after it broke these. Basically, I was waiting for it to just break 971 until I got in, and as soon as it broke and when I pressed the buy button, I had my limit orders set to 975 to allow some slippage, and I got filled right at the top. And then I held it. My stop loss was just below this, so it was at just below this candle, 969. We never got there, and as you see, as it went up, I got rid of half of my position at 9.78, and then we had another big a leg up. I sold a quarter of my remaining position I had remaining at 9.82. Sold another quarter of my remaining position at 9.84, which was right at the top here. And I didn't want to give back any of my profits or end my Friday on a red with a red day. So when I saw it came down right here, I just sold the remaining position I had left, which was 141 shares at 9.81. So I profited on this trade 21 bucks after fees. So as you see, I took 500 shares. My average entry was 9.75, as you see right there. And my average exit was 9.7991, so we could say it was basically 9.8. So I basically locked up around 5 cents of profit on this, and I didn't trade anything else on Friday, especially after my disastrous day on Thursday where I revenge traded and lost over 300 bucks and hit the max loss I had set on my account. So yeah, that's the end of today's recap video. I'll be back at it on Monday morning. One trade. Hopefully we have a good trade. I'm waiting for that home run still. I'm hoping like I get into a trade where I can at least take out 50 cents. That would be nice. It would definitely help recover some of the losses. But yeah, I'm just staying patient. I know I know this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate all of you guys who have commented, who have left tips, and sorry about that. And yeah, whoever especially has subscribed and is actually watching all of my daily recaps. Thank you guys. Bye.